Picture this. It's a quiet morning, the sun's just come up, and you're sipping your coffee by the pool. The water looks perfect. No leaves, no bugs, just a mirror-like surface. But here's the secret. It's not your built-in skimmers doing all the work. It's a solar-powered robotic skimmer cruising silently across the surface, catching everything your fixed skimmers miss. Even in pools with side-mounted skimmers, robotic models make a huge difference by reaching dead zones and working continuously without needing the pump to run. So if you're tired of skimming by hand or relying solely on your filter system, this video is for you. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting off with the Betta SE, this is a solid entry point into the world of robotic pool skimmers. It's fully solar-powered, runs 24/7, and uses twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors that make it perfect for pools using salt systems. What's impressive is the way it quietly and methodically sweeps across the pool surface, collecting leaves, bugs, and pollen like clockwork. It doesn't rely on the pool's circulation system, so it cleans even when the pump is off. The build quality is sturdy, the battery holds charge well, and it handles curved pools and freeform designs without getting confused. One thing to note is that it lacks Wi-Fi or app support, so you won't be able to track or schedule it remotely. Still, for a dependable, low-maintenance skimmer that just gets the job done, the Betta SE is hard to beat. Next, the Aiper Surfer S2 raises the bar with smart features and dual charging options, solar during the day and USB when needed. It has app support so you can monitor cleaning patterns or adjust its schedule from your phone, which adds a nice touch of convenience. It also features smart obstacle avoidance, which keeps it from getting stuck on ladders or floating toys. Compared to the Betta SE, the Surfer S2 is more interactive and slightly more refined in its pathfinding. One advantage here is the intuitive app interface, which makes it easier to customize for different pool sizes. However, it does require occasional firmware updates through the app, which may not appeal to those wanting total simplicity. This model is ideal for tech-savvy users or vacation rental owners who want more control and peace of mind. Moving to something a bit more advanced, the Dolphin Skim takes robotic surface cleaning to the smart home level. It's solar-powered with Wi-Fi capability and uses sensors to detect and adjust to surface debris in real time. What stands out most about this design is the intelligence behind the navigation. It doesn't just wander around, it actively seeks out messes. Imagine you're prepping for a backyard party. Instead of racing around with a manual skimmer an hour before guests arrive, you just glance at your phone and see your skimmy already cleaned the surface. It's that seamless. That said, this model is one of the more expensive ones on the list, and you'll need to be comfortable setting it up through a connected app. But if automation and real-time response are what you're after, the Dolphin Skim delivers the smartest performance of the bunch. Switching gears a bit, let's talk about the Vapool VRSC01. This model doesn't have app control, but what it does offer is rugged, reliable performance day and night. It has a dual-mode system. It runs on solar power during the day, then switches to battery mode for overnight cleaning. That's a big plus if your pool tends to collect debris constantly, like under trees or after windy afternoons. One great feature is its simple maintenance. The basket is easy to empty and rinse without any tools. However, it's a bit slower than some other models and lacks high-tech features, so it's best for those who prioritize reliability over bells and whistles. Think of it as the low-maintenance workhorse in this lineup. If you want a bit more hands-on control, the Zigma Y80 might be your match. It comes with a remote control so you can guide it directly in addition to its automated modes. It's solar-powered with saltwater compatibility and smart obstacle detection. The real strength of the Y80 lies in its flexibility. Picture this. A windy evening, just dumped leaves into the shallow end. You grab the remote, direct the skimmer to that area, and cleanup's done before your morning coffee brews. Unlike the Vapool, which runs completely on auto mode, the Zigma lets you intervene when needed. On the flip side, some users might find the remote slightly limited in range, especially for large pools. But if you want that balance of automation and manual targeting, it's a great pick. Next, the Hippobot H1 steps into the lineup with a focus on power and advanced navigation. This model uses AI path planning to clean more efficiently, avoiding obstacles and adjusting routes to cover the entire surface with fewer passes. It's dual charging and boasts a larger debris bin than many of its competitors, which means fewer emptying sessions for you. This skimmer is perfect for people who have large pools or pools surrounded by heavy foliage. Imagine a pool after a summer storm, branches, twigs, and leaves floating everywhere. and the Hippobot just cruises through it all like it's no big deal. Compared to the Zigma, this one has more automation and fewer manual controls, but significantly more storage capacity. The only real drawback is the size. It's bulkier than most, so storage can be a bit tricky if you're tight on space. And finally, we've got the Smonet Robotic Pool Skimmer. Designed with above-ground pools in mind, this model runs quietly and efficiently with 2 speed settings and path optimization. It's solar-powered with dual charging options and saltwater compatibility. It's compact, making it great for smaller pools or tighter storage spaces, but don't let the size fool you. It still covers the surface well and catches finer particles better than expected. Picture yourself working remotely on the patio, your laptop open while the Smonet silently does its thing in the background. Unlike the Hippobot or Dolphin, it doesn't have AI or Wi-Fi, but what you get is a low-profile, highly efficient cleaner that's super easy to operate. One downside is the smaller debris basket, so you'll need to empty it more frequently. But for low-maintenance owners with compact pools, it's an ideal solution. So let's break it down and help you choose. If you're looking for simple, durable performance without any tech fuss, the Betta SE is the go-to choice. It's dependable and perfect for everyday maintenance. If you're the kind of person who wants more control from your phone, the Aiper Surfer S2 adds value with smart scheduling and app access. Want the smartest system overall? Go with the Dolphin Skim. It's the most intelligent and connected option here. If you need something that works day and night, automatically and reliably, the Vapool VRSC01 is the quiet workhorse you want on your team. Prefer having a remote to target specific messes? The Zigma Y80 gives you manual input when you need it. For large pools and lots of debris, the Hippobot H1 is your heavy-duty powerhouse. And if you've got an above-ground pool and want quiet, compact performance, the Smonet is a great fit. If you're unsure where to start, think about how much debris your pool collects daily. That alone can narrow your options. Bigger pools or those near trees will benefit from models with larger baskets and stronger navigation like the Hippobot or Dolphin. If you travel often or manage a rental property, smart features that let you monitor and control cleaning remotely are a game changer. On the other hand, if your goal is set it and forget it convenience, go with something fully automatic and simple to maintain, like the Betta or Vapool. Ultimately, it comes down to what your pool needs and how hands-on you want to be. If tech features excite you, lean into the app-enabled models. If peace and quiet with minimal maintenance is your priority, choose one of the more basic but reliable options. Whatever your pool size, debris level, or cleaning preferences, there's a solar-powered robotic skimmer on this list that'll keep your water clean and your weekends free. All links are in the description. Check them out for up-to-date pricing and details. Hit that like button if this helped you, subscribe for more honest product roundups, and we'll see you in the next one. Enjoy that clean, beautiful pool.